dad was going to follow you all the way down.
Yes.
And I was like, see what we was able to bring back down. He seems to know where he's going. Because every year I get lost on that railway. This is the first time I did. I couldn't. I was telling you. But did you see the I was right. I mean, I said, yeah. Well, that's what I really want to see. Because he's still known for it.
Yeah.
Okay. And I got all bleeds, you know, I've seen it.
Yeah.
And then as you coming into town, he's like, blast up the left hand lane. I'm like, wow, okay. He made up a group.
So what's your favorite judges or classic judges? We use the population to retaliate
Wow, 2002.
The only thing that's been replaced is the front section.
Really need to run this electrical harness. It's got a good modern suspension. So it's got a 5-speed. Something resembling that.
It's really a classic crash, isn't it?
Oh, it wasn't good. You know what it was? I didn't have my driving shoes on.
That makes a big difference.
I haven't driven the car without them since.
Yeah. No, that car, I've got big feet.
Yeah, me too. I'm a triple E.
Oh, yeah, same one.
Oh, I'm serious.
A couple of little guys, they're on the same car. Yeah, because as soon as he said they were in the car,
Yeah, I know that. I followed that guy. Crazy driver.
that was cool. It was a good tour yesterday.
Next time I'm gonna go.
Several.